Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're starting part 1 of this exciting topic. I'll walk you through everything step by step so it's easy to follow and enjoy. Let's jump right in. If you walk through the night markets of West Java, you will likely smell a sharp, sweet aroma in the air. This scent comes from Wedang Ronde, a traditional ginger-based dessert soup that has warmed Indonesian hearts for generations. While its roots trace back to the Chinese Tang Yuan, Indonesians have truly made this dish their own. It is more than just a sweet treat, it is a cultural staple used to ward off the evening chill. The dish consists of chewy rice balls swimming in a hot, spicy broth. Because of its comforting nature, people often turn to it when they need a boost of warmth or a bit of nostalgia. Today, we will look at what makes this street food so iconic and why you should try it. What makes a bowl of ronde truly special? A bowl of ronde is a masterclass in sensory balance. When you first hold the warm ceramic bowl, you can feel the steam rising against your face. The liquid itself is a deep amber color, smelling strongly of fresh ginger and earthy palm sugar. Most people describe the first sip as a hug in a bowl because of the immediate heat that travels down the throat. However, the experience isn't just about the spice. Instead, it relies on the contrast between the fiery broth and the soft, pillowy rice balls. These balls provide a satisfying chewiness that offsets the thin consistency of the soup. Once you bite into one, a hidden center of crushed peanuts and sugar spills out. This creates a wonderful mix of salty, sweet, and nutty flavors all at once. In addition, the heat from the ginger helps to cut through the richness of the peanut filling. Because of this balance, the dish never feels too heavy or overly sugary. It is a light yet deeply satisfying snack that hits every part of the palate. Most local vendors prepare the broth throughout the day so the spices can fully meld. This slow simmering process ensures that every spoonful carries a punch. Whether you are eating it on a rainy afternoon or late at night, the complexity of the flavors remains consistent. It is this specific combination of textures and temperatures that keeps people coming back to the ronde carts year after year. The perfect texture of glutinous rice balls. The star of any ronde bowl is the collection of colorful, marble-sized balls made from glutinous rice flour. To get the texture right, cooks mix the flour with a small amount of water to create a dough that is both pliable and elastic. They often divide the dough into sections and add natural food coloring. This results in the vibrant pink, green, and white colors you see in the bowl. These colors make the dish visually appealing, especially when they peek out from the dark ginger syrup. Inside each ball sits a small amount of filling made from roasted peanuts and palm sugar. The peanuts are usually crushed into a coarse paste so they still provide a bit of crunch. During the boiling process, the sugar inside melts slightly, creating a thick syrup. As a result, when you take a bite, the contrast between the sticky exterior and the grainy, sweet interior is delightful. Making these by hand is a labor of love, as each one must be sealed perfectly to prevent the filling from leaking out into the cooking water. That wraps up part 1. I hope you found this helpful and interesting. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.